applications is already over.
The MLA of Nongpoh Constituency, Miral Bonds Im, convened a meeting on Monday with line department officers and village leaders to address pending beneficial schemes from the state and central government. The meeting took place at Maulong Nongtulu village with participation from village leaders of nearby villages, focusing on various developmental issues. The meeting also emphasized the need for a health sub-center to extend healthcare facilities to various villages.
Budin ya ki katukan mitali kam ki bide bat kenyaka slong kabun kong golong na gabenta ban pentikna ban budin na gabenta ka proposal ka ba la hamslam bangidaya ap kwenti kumka slong kumka dong hi boro oi ha gini ki thai molong area ki jumi nang ta ki lakhar dok ha boro ha bide bat ki jing don no ya ka sub center kabar kalau macam budin ha kabidi bat kajing penrung ya ka school Maulong government LP school hapo kaneka PM Shri kedeka skim dong ka soccer pedeng ya kajing mentoy lembang dong kaneka skim SAGY kabade kabala jikr pang ban identify na ganta ban mentoy jong snong.
The Ribhoi People's Council RBP